Hey everyone, welcome to this full step-by-step course on YouTube automation using AI tools. This course will show you how to build a faceless YouTube channel. By the end of this course, you'll learn how YouTube automation works, the best AI tools for content creation, how to research niches and video ideas, and more. YouTube automation means creating and running a YouTube channel without personally doing everything. You build a system to handle scripting, voiceovers, and more. The goal is to automate the content creation process so that you can scale multiple channels or run a profitable one with less daily effort. Picking the right niche is the most important step. Here are the top YouTube automation niches: motivation, tech reviews, luxury lifestyle, and more. Use tools like Google Trends and ChatGPT to research. Ensure your niche has high CPM, evergreen content, and a large audience. Once your niche is set, the next step is video topic research and script writing. Use ChatGPT for video topics and generate scripts. No need to record your own voice, use AI voiceover tools. The best AI voice tools include ElevenLabs.io and Murf.ai.
Thumbnails and titles make or break your video's success. Use bright colors and bold fonts. Include a face, emotion when possible. Create curiosity, not clickbait. When uploading, optimize for SEO and engagement. Start with YouTube Studio and upload your video. Use keywords in title and description. Add hashtags and a good video description. Include a CTA. Subscribe for more AI tips. Once your channel grows, it's time to make money with YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. Upload consistently, hire help, and explore multiple niches or channels to scale your success.
Here's a quick recap of the AI tools we've covered. Let's review what each tool can do for you. Script writing: ChatGPT, Jasper. Voiceover: ElevenLabs, Murf. Video editing: Pictory, InVideo. Thumbnail: Canva, Thumbnail Blaster. Research: vidIQ, Google Trends. That's a complete walkthrough of YouTube automation with AI. Start small, stay consistent, and use automation to build income and freedom. If you found this course helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI content, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.